Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back. We've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold-down rear seats. Cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Dark linden wood trim. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats. Memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one also does come with a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera. This one also does come with the advanced parking assist package, which is going to come with Parktronic with active parking. We got our dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 28,846 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.